before I proceed, I have to do one thing. I have to clean my tabletop. So I know it's very simple, but there is a very big potential problem in electronics, and it's this. These little particles of solder sputtered during the soldering procedure, or these little bursts of solder that were produced when I was sucking the solder with this tool. So you suck, and then when you release, a little bit of tin, I mean the solder alloy, comes out. And if this falls on a circuit like this, and then you don't see it, then it can create short circuits. So if it goes like this, then there is a problem. So we have to avoid to have such kind of little things on our bench. So the best way to remove little particles is to suck them. So let's do it. Very good. So now we can continue.